let's go. Okay. Okay, getting some ammo here. Let's go. Let's go. Is that my first kill? Is that my first kill? Is that my first kill? Ah! Oh, trying to get the aim right, dude. Oh, good God, I want to kill you. I want to kill you so bad. Oh, you better run. You better run. Oh. That could have been my first kill, y'all. That could have been my first kill, y'all. Okay. Gotta earn it. Gotta earn that first kill. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's go find somebody. Let's go find some. Let's go find somebody. Let's go find somebody, huh? Let's go find somebody. Anybody here? Anybody here? Anybody here? The controls to PUBG and Battleground just so different to me. I prefer the Battleground controllers to PUBG, but I guess I'll just learn. Is it a bike? Might as well. Let's go. Get some. Look at that. It's a two-seater. Cool, cool. All right, get in there. What do I? How do I? Okay. Let's go. Do I need to put gas in it?
Do I need a...
What do I, how do I, oh, okay, let me just, oh, maybe I need to do that. Okay, oh, maybe it's a three-seater. Maybe I'm wrong. Hey, we're driving, huh? Look at this. Oh, the controls on this thing. It's different from, Blackout. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Getting somewhere now. We're getting somewhere now. Yeah. Okay, where do I have to go? Okay, over there. I thought we had that guy, dude. He's in my sights. Alright, here we go. Alright, where we going? Where we going here? Okay. Whoa! See that landed? Stick that landed. We're not on my steps. We use my bandages here. Finally learned how to use bandages. If anyone has tips to without going on the main page to use bandages and an energy drink, there's like a quick menu I'm not knowing about. If there is a quick menu, someone leave a comment below. This is like the only way on a PS4. But learning. We're learning here. PUBG. We are learning. Okay. What else is out here? What else is over here? Oh, more ammo? Am I glitching? Looks like I'm glitching here. Ah, poor bike. Oh, what's this? Look at this. Look at this. There's a little caddy action. Yeah, we're on the road again. Da-na-na-na-na. The controls in here are so weird. So weird. This is cool though. I like it, dude. This is so like GTA. And that's cool, bro. I have to get used to the controls though. Like it wants me to swing to the right a lot. No. I just have different controls though. But this is dope. Like if it had music like GTA, that'd be dope. Alright. Let's we're in the circle. Let's oh man, I took damage from that? Lame. Yeah, the controls on this just so different. I gotta get used to it. Ooh, those explosions going off there. Maybe I should loot. I'm gonna go loot. Still don't know where that red spot is. Alright, let's go loot. Let's go loot. Get out of the car here. Alright, here we go. I get that vest. What else is there? More ammo. Let's get some more ammo. Better heal up here. Yeah, I wonder if there's like a quick screen for this whole bandage energy drink. If not, I'm gonna have to do the main menu thing right here. There probably is. I probably need to figure that out. But at least know how to use bandages though. Let's see. I learn how to throw frag as well. Let's see if I could throw a frag. See if this works. Oh. I'm not gonna throw it yet. Maybe not. Where am I at? I'm inside the circle. Cool. Is that a guy right there? Is that my first kill right there? Hold on. Bros, is that my first kill right there? Hold on. Is that? What's that? Oh! Woo! That's first kill. One of many. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. What was that guy doing? Just standing there. He's like, I gotta sacrifice the fool. Ah! Yes, I'm gonna loot your body. Yes. What's going on, guys? It's Ryan Fu. If you guys enjoyed that video, please smash that like button and also hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all our videos. So once again, smash that like button and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and check you guys out later and keep on shocking them, bros.